Hey everyone, many of you have been asking, does Meguiar's make a ceramic coating? The answer is yes, we do. Our M788 Deep Crystal Ceramic Paint Coating is an easy to use, highly durable, high gloss ceramic coating that makes use of SiO2 technology. SiO2 is what puts the ceramic in ceramic coating, and it's the foundation for coating technology that delivers lasting protection plus intense water beading that makes a car easier to maintain. We go a step beyond just an easy to apply coating, as we also offer a selection of products to make maintenance of M788 just as easy for you.